Today I'm gonna show you the absolute easiest way to install Laravel using 3 amazing tools: Laravel Herd, DBngin, and TablePlus. No scary terminal commands, no PHP setup nightmares, just a few clicks and boom, you are building. By the end of this video, you will have a fully functional Laravel development environment that you can manage with just a few clicks. Sounds good? Let's dive in. The first thing to do is installing Laravel Herd. And honestly, this tool is a game changer. Head over to herd.laravel.com and grab the installer for your operating system. The installation is straightforward. Just run the installer and let it do its magic. What's beautiful about this is Herd automatically detects and installs the right versions of PHP, Composer, and Node.js. It's like having a personal DevOps engineer setting up everything for you. Once it finishes installing, you will see this clean dashboard. Let me walk you through these tabs real quick. Dashboard gives you an overview of your environment. General, here you will find your basic settings. Sites, this is where all your Laravel projects will show up. PHP lets you switch between different PHP versions with just one click. Node manages your Node.js versions. Expose is for sharing your local projects with others. And Shortcuts gives you quick access to common commands. Pretty sweet, right? Now head over to DBngin.com and download the installer. What makes DBngin special is it lets you run multiple databases without any configuration headaches. MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Redis, all with a simple on-off switch. Once it's installed, you will see this simple and clean interface. Click on Add New Database Engine, choose MySQL, then write the name of the database. Click on Create and hit Start. That's it. You have a MySQL server running in the background. Now let's grab TablePlus. This is going to be our database management interface, and it's absolutely beautiful. Download TablePlus from TablePlus.com. This tool makes working with databases actually enjoyable. Clean interface, powerful features, and it connects to pretty much any database you can think of. Next, we are going to create our Laravel project using Herd, and you are going to see just how effortless this is. Back to Herd, go to the Sites tab and click Add Site. Give your project a name like Laravel Test, and Herd does all the work. No terminal, no Composer create project, just a simple click. Now as you can see, Herd is downloading Laravel, setting up all the dependencies and configuring everything. This would normally take several terminal commands and a few minutes of setup, but here it's all automated. Once it's done, click Open in Browser, and there it is, Laravel is ready to go. Now let's connect our Laravel project to the database we set up before. Open the Laravel project in Sublime or any other text editor and update your database settings in the .env file. It must match your DBngin MySQL settings. Now let's migrate our database tables. Open the terminal in the project folder and run php artisan migrate. Perfect. Laravel just created all the default tables in our database. Let's go and see this in action using TablePlus. Go back to DBngin and click on the arrow icon next to your MySQL server. Select Laravel Test Database, and there you're gonna find all our Laravel tables. Let's click through a few of them to see the structure. And here is our migrations table with actual data showing which migrations have been run. Everything is visual, organized, and easy to understand. And that's it. You now have a full Laravel setup, and we did it without touching the terminal once. This setup makes managing Laravel projects and databases incredibly simple. Need to switch PHP versions? One click in Herd. Want to start a new database? One click in DBngin. Need to browse your data? TablePlus has you covered. Don't forget to smash the like button and hey, subscribe. so you don't miss the next video. We are diving into Laravel routing next. Plus, check out my other videos for Laravel tips and tricks that will seriously level you up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.